Should I shut off my AC if it's frozen? Yes, turn off the air conditioner's cooling system right away and let the ice melt before trying to use it again. Ice usually forms when warm air cannot flow properly across the indoor coil, or when the refrigerant level is too low. Start by switching the thermostat from cooling to off, then set the fan to on if air can move safely through the system. The fan may help thaw the coil faster, but never scrape, chip, or pour hot water on the ice because that can bend the coil or damage the equipment. Put towels near the indoor unit if melting water could reach flooring, walls, or furniture. Check the air filter because a dirty filter is one of the most common causes of weak airflow and freezing. Also make sure supply vents and return vents are open and not blocked by rugs, furniture, or curtains. A lesser-known clue is that ice can keep growing even when the outdoor unit sounds normal, because the trouble may be inside the house at the coil or blower. Wait until all ice is melted, replace a dirty filter, and then try cooling again. If the ice returns, shut the system off and have a qualified contractor inspect it. One common mistake is running the air conditioner repeatedly while it is frozen, which can overwork the compressor. Leave cooling off until the coil is completely clear. Another mistake is assuming a new filter always fixes the problem, because low refrigerant, a weak blower, or a dirty indoor coil may also be involved. Call a trained professional when freezing returns. Some people also keep lowering the thermostat, but that will not make a frozen system cool the house faster. Use a normal setting and focus on restoring airflow. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.